Now let us discuss about variable inductance transducers. So let us say variable inductance transducers. Basically, these variable inductance transducers are used to measure some of the physical quantities like displacement, velocity, acceleration, and so on. These variable inductance transducers works on the principle that they measure the change in the physical quantity in terms of change in the magnetic characteristics of an electrical circuit. Basically, variable inductance transducers are classified into two types: self-generating type and passive type. So, self-generating type variable inductance transducers are the transducers in which voltage is generated because of the relative motion between conductor and magnetic field. And there are three types of self-generating type variable inductance transducers: electromagnetic type, electrodynamic type, and eddy current. Now, passive type variable inductance transducers. So in this type, the motion of an object results in change in the inductance of the coil. So therefore, the physical quantity is measured in terms of change in the inductance of the coil. And passive type variable inductance transducers are of three types: variable reluctance type, mutual inductance type, and differential transfer type. Now let us discuss about these different types of variable inductance transducers. Now let us discuss about self-generating type variable inductance transducers. So in this self-generating type variable inductance transducers, the voltage is induced because of the relative motion between conductor and magnetic field. So it works on the principle that the voltage is induced because of the relative motion between conductor and magnetic field. So there are three types of self-generating variable inductance transducers, that is electromagnetic type, electrodynamic type, and eddy current. So let us see first electromagnetic type self-generating variable inductance transducer. So it consists of core, which is made up of a permanent magnet. On this limb of the core, the coils are wound directly. Now, when a plate of iron or any other ferromagnetic material is moved with respect to this magnet, then the flux field expands or collapses and voltage is induced in the coil. So voltage is induced in the coil because of the relative motion between conductor and a magnetic field. So here, as there is an increase in the displacement or velocity with which this ferromagnetic material is moving with respect to magnetic field, then the voltage induced will also increase. So therefore, the induced voltage is directly proportional to the displacement of ferromagnetic material or the velocity of ferromagnetic material. So therefore here the displacement or velocity of this ferromagnetic material is measured in terms of increase in the output voltage. Now let us see electrodynamic type self-generating variable inductance transducer. So there are two types of electrodynamic type here. One is linear type and another one is rotational type. So in case of linear type electrodynamic self-generating variable inductance transducer, there is a permanent magnet and the coil is wound around the central limb of the permanent magnet. The coil is wound around the central limb such that this coil is movable. It can move up and down linearly. So when the coil moves, it induces voltage which is directly proportional to the velocity of the coil. So as the velocity of the coil is increased, the voltage induced in the coil also increases. Similarly, in case of rotational electrodynamic type this inductance transducer, there is a permanent magnet. In between the two poles of the permanent magnet, there is an iron cone, and around this iron core the coil is wound. This iron core is connected to the shaft whose angular velocity is to be measured. Now as the shaft moves, the coil also moves in angular direction. The coil also rotates, and therefore the voltage is induced in the coil. Similarly, here also the induced voltage is directly proportional to the rotational velocity of the coil. So therefore here the velocity is measured in terms of voltage induced in the coil. Then the last type of self-generating type variable inductance transducer is eddy current type. So in this type there are two poles of the permanent magnet, and in between that there is a non-ferrous material which is movable, and the coils are wound around the poles of the permanent magnet. Now when this non-ferrous material moves through the air gap, then the eddy currents are induced in the coil. So since this coil forms a closed circuit, we get voltage across the coil. Here also, as there is an increase in the velocity of movement of this non-ferrous material, the voltage induced across the coil increases. So therefore here the displacement or velocity is measured in terms of the voltage developed across the coil.